Namaste all. Vanakkam, Vandanam and Swagatam into this online session, live session, Yoga for Self-Care. It's such a pleasure to be representing CYTER, the Center for Yoga Therapy, Education and Research of Shri Balaji Vidyapeeth, and Yoga for Self-Care. That is the need of the hour, because as you all know, what is self-care? This is the biggest responsibility that each one of us have on our shoulders now. At least taking care of ourselves, if not, anything else. That is itself a big help to the nation right now. If we can take care of ourselves and our families together. So, what are we doing now? We are going to have a live yoga session from this chair. So as you can see, I'm sitting in a chair, and from the chair, what are the techniques, what are the practices that we can do together? So we'll just start with a prayer. You can start the prayer along with me by chanting Om. Following that, I'll be doing the Guru Gayatri. You can just listen. So bringing your hands in front of your chest, eyes closed, sitting quiet. Take a deep breath in. तत्परम्पर्याय विद्महे ज्ञानलिङ्गेश्वराय धीमहि तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयात्. With all due respects to the gurus of the Rishi culture Ashtanga Yoga Paramparya, Swamiji, Swami Geetananda Giri Guru Maharaj, and my Guru, Dr. Anandapal Yogi Bhavnani sir. So thanking you, and whatever I will be presenting is what I am learning from them. So are you all ready to do the practices? So before that, just a word with you. So what is yoga? In general, just let me know, what is yoga? I can hear a few answers that you're trying to give, but I'm sorry, but you'll have to be listening, because this is a one-way show. Maybe in future we'll have something, where you can also correspond, you can also participate, right? So yoga is that which connects, which binds, which integrates, which brings together. So what is it trying to bring together? We have many aspects. The individual, a human being, has many aspects, and they are fragmented because of our interaction with this world every day. The body, the mind, and the soul, the gross, the subtle, and the subtlest aspects. So all of them are constantly interacting with each other and influence each other. And as long as they stay connected, interconnected, the man, the individual, is at ease with himself. A state of health, if he can be at ease with himself. And once, due to some disturbance, that interconnectivity is temporarily cut off or lost, what happens is that the man is pushed into a state of dis-ease. So he loses that sense of ease within because the connectivity is gone. So what is yoga trying to do? Bring back that connectivity. Bring it back so that he can stay in that state of ease, stay healthy and happy. So before we start, just a word of precaution. One is that whatever movements we'll be doing will always be accompanied by the breath. So it will be synchronized. The body movement will be synchronized with the breath. So, for example, if we are going to be raising the hand up, it will be with the inhalation. So, whenever we are moving a body part upwards, it is inhale, breathing in. And whenever we are bringing it down, it is exhale, breathing out. So, this is a simple basic rule. And never ever hold your breath at any point of time. As we are going on, if you find any practice difficult, stick to your limitations. Listen to your body, that is within quotations. So each individual has their own limitations. So if your body is objecting to a particular movement, do not strain, do not overstretch, which might lead, lead into pain. So, do no harm is the first policy in yoga, ahimsa. So, we don't want anybody ending up in pain. So, do it as much as you can. And it's all very simple practices, so don't worry at all. We can do it. And the most important component that we would be following is the breath. You know what? Breath is the magic. It is like, the body and mind are two different compartments. More often than not, they are like a husband and a wife. What happens? Mostly the husband and wife are friendly. But there are times when they are in disagreement with each other. They have their own conflicts. So the body and mind, what happens? They are in a state of conflict, contradiction. What the body wants, the mind does not agree. And what the mind wants, the body does not want to follow. So there's a constant tug of war going between them. So it is your breath which creates the magic and brings them together, tries to draw them together and keep them intact. So the connectivity factor, it is your own breath that is doing the magic. So that is something that we need to remember. And here, what happens because of the mirror imaging, when I say right, this is my right hand, it looks as if I am raising my left hand up. So please remember, just follow my instructions. Right and left, don't get confused by looking at the screen. So with these few words, we go on with the practices. Are you all there with me for the next half hour? Let's have fun, right? So I just hope that you've all got your chairs. If you haven't got it, go and grab it now in a minute and then come and sit. So I can see some hands up there, thumbs up. So we go on and get started. So bringing your hands together like this, interlocking your fingers. The right should always be dominant. Bringing them together, it is like connecting your left and the right hemispheres of your brain. And that, leads you into that state of balance, stability, alertness, agility to help you to act in times of need, emergencies. So keeping your hands together on your lap comfortably. Just adjust your positions in your chairs. Just see that you're sitting comfortably. You don't have to sit like this. You can sit, with your legs down, as comfortable as possible. Eyes closed. Now just contemplate on the position of your body. Are you comfortable? Now slowly start focusing on your breath. Is your breath rhythmic? Are you breathing in and out as deep as possible? Is your back erect, your spine erect? Just try to hold it as erect as possible so that the back, neck and the head are in a line, straight line, so that the energy can move up and down without any hindrance. So breathing in and out. So you owe this half hour for your own self-care. Simple techniques giving you the same benefits. So do not have this misconception that you have to do the tough and difficult poses or asanas to have the benefits. It's not so. You will get the same benefits with these simple techniques. Just be mindfully, gently rubbing your palms together, taking them over your eyes, and slowly removing your hands and gently open your eyes. And let's go on. So we'll start with a bit of the neck movement. So as you breathe in, slowly take your neck upwards, breathing in simultaneously as much as you can, and breathing out gently down till the chin touches the jugular notch. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, slowly come back to the center. Neck and the shoulders are the place where the stress gets accumulated. And whenever you are stiff, whenever you are irritated, disturbed, you can feel a little bit of stiffness in your neck and the shoulders. So to, get rid of all that, these simple movements will help you. And every variation, I'm just doing it twice just because of the lack of time. When you do your own practices, you can repeat it a few more times. So hands together again. So as you breathe in, slowly turn your neck to the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing out to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming back to the center. The next practice that we would be doing is on the shoulders. So what we'll do is, as you breathe in, we'll stretch the shoulders upwards as much as you can. And while dropping it down, we'll come out with the Bastrika, forceful expulsion like this. So that is from the Nabhi. Nabhi is your navel region. So it's like a throw out, forcefully exhaling, expelling the carbon dioxide. So it leaves your blood refreshed with oxygen. So you will feel fresh, and removing carbon dioxide is always good. If carbon dioxide stays in the blood, it is going to disturb your mind. Most of the mental problems, the psychological problems, are because of the excessive carbon dioxide that has not been exhaled properly. Because more often than not, we inhale, but then the exhalation is not, as deep as possible. So that is why we have to do it very mindfully. And this, is going to help us remove that extra carbon dioxide that has stayed, that has remained uneliminated from the blood. So are you all ready? Hands by the side, shoulder raised up as you inhale and out. Breathe in, out, in, out. So can you feel that expulsion forcefully? And just stay quiet now. Hands on your thighs, eyes closed. Can you feel it? There'll be a sense of lightness. The forceful expulsion also is a kind of let out, let go. We accumulate more often than not. So many things, which burdens us. We have to throw them out. This is going to help. And we'll do one more thing later, an actual throw out. The baggage that we don't want. So the burden should be released so that the connectivity can be on. Okay. So now following that, the practice is that because we are doing it from the chair, what we would be focusing is on the, thoraco-abdominal regions. So especially the rib cage activities that we do with the chest cage and the abdomen. So what we are going to do now is a good expansion of the chest, enhancing the properties, the functions of the respiratory system, enhancing, promoting a good lung volume, the tidal volume, all the respiratory functions. And please remember, whatever movement we are going to be doing, it's not just a physical movement. It is like the internal organs are going to get a good massage as we do, a stretch, an extension, and a contraction. So it is like a good massage that is happening to the lungs, which you find within the rib cage, as well as the heart, which is there between the lungs, a little to the left side. So are you ready for that? So slowly raise your hands to the shoulder level, keeping the palms facing together. And as you inhale, breathing in to extend it, expand it, extending your chest, expanding your chest as much as you can. Breathing out, slowly bringing them back together. And in case you have your wife or your husband sitting next to you, you can give them a slap or a hit. And this is your opportunity. Don't waste this. Huh? So you'll get a point for that, right? Okay. So as you breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stretch. And as you breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the track of the points that you got? Keep it recorded, right? Huh? And now moving on to the next practice. It's like what we did now is to expand, elasticize the respiratory muscles. The intercostals, the external and the internal intercostal muscles, the accessory muscles that is helping you, the diaphragm, of course, which is helping you to, inhale and exhale to your full efficiency. So you have stretched it to this way. You have sort of pulled it like a balloon. Before we blow air into the balloon, what do? We pull it, we stretch it up and down, and then we blow the air. So what we did is like we have stretched it to the sides, and now we'll stretch it up and down. We call this the Thada Kriya. A Kriya is something where we are going to just be moving. It's kind of a rational and systematic movement, the body movement synchronized with your breath. So that is a Kriya. It's a movement. And when we do an asana, the same thing would be where we are holding. So the holding is an asana, Thada asana, and the moving phase is the Thada Kriya. So we'll start with 2 rounds of Thada Kriya and then we'll do the Thada asana. Okay? Hands by the side. Ready? Start inhaling and lift your hands up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Interlock your fingers and turn them upwards. Give a good stretch from the lower back, from the base of your spine. Feel that stretch. And breathing out, slowly release your arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Stretch. 2. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. stretch. Feel that stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So following this, we'll be doing the asana. So when we are doing the asana, I will tell you hold, which means holding the position. And again, just to remind you, not holding the breath. Ready? Asana. Just feel that nice stretch you're giving from the base of the spine. The musculature getting a good stretch and it's like the muscles when you stretch and relax. It's kind of really good to de-stress yourself. The movement helps to de-stress. So as you breathe in, stretch your arms up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Interlock and stretch. Try to have your hands, the biceps touching your ears. Stretch and breathe as normally as possible, holding the position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now slowly bring your hands back into the position as you breathe out. Hands on your thighs. Remember I said listen to your body? So just eyes closed. Can you ask your body, what is it feeling? Is there anything that it is trying to tell you? The whole back has had a very good stretch. So does it feel good with the stretch? Just ask your body. Right. And now, so let me tell you, there are the basic movements that you can do with your spine, which is the axis that is keeping you on your feet. The basic movements that we could do is, one is the bending forward, which we normally do in everyday life. And then the bending backward. And the twist. Both the sides twisting. And the stretch. When you stretch, it is like the vertebral column is getting a good stretch, the intervertebral discs having a good massage. So that is the stretching which we just did. And the other movement that is possible with the spine is the lateral stretching, lateral bending, which we will be doing right now. The lateral bending of the spine. Okay. So from the Tadasana, we'll be moving to the sides, which is also called as the Thala Kriya. We'll be moving or swaying both sides like a palm tree. So if you're ready, let's start. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch. Breathing out to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, come back to the center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out to the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slowly release your hands out back into your lap. So how did the lateral bending make you feel? Does it feel good to be moving? Sitting from a chair, you could do all this. These simple movements, because we are working online more often now. So it's like we need all this in the break. While working, just move back and do all these movements, which is going to make your spine healthy, your back healthy. You will not end up having a back pain or a neck pain or strain in your eyes. Computer vision syndrome that's happening. Okay, so one more time, we'll just hold the lateral bending. If you're more comfortable, I'll show you another variation. If you don't want to interlock, we could just use it one arm and do the lateral stretching, which is what we're going to do now, the Ardha Kati Chakra Asana. So don't worry with the names, don't be afraid of the names. It's a lateral bending. So as you breathe in, slowly stretch your right hand up, stretching it. Let it stretch till you can touch the ear. It's not like you hold it like this and take your ear there. No, that's cheating. That's cheating. Caught you. Huh? It's like you stretch. You stretch your arm till the bicep can touch the ear. And now, as you breathe out, go to the side. Bend as much as you can to the left side and hold it with normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you breathe in, slowly come up to 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, turn your palms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now repeat it on the other side. We always do both sides so that there is balance. Whatever activity you're doing on the right side is activating your left brain, and the left side is activating your right brain because the connection is crisscrossed. So we have to do the left side. And remember again the mirror imaging. Right. So slowly as you inhale, breathe in, lift your arm up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch it upwards. And now breathing out to the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just hold the position. 2, 3. Normal breathing. 4, 5, 6. And now slowly inhale and come up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your palms and bring it down. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands on your thighs, eyes closed. So just ask your body, does it feel good? Doing the stretch and the lateral bending and the stretching of the chest cage, the rib cage, the upward movement that we did. And now, following this, we'll go on with the twisting movement, right? So you're all sitting in a chair. If the chair has an arm, you can hold the arm and twist to the side. The whole torso is getting twisted, right? So you can just follow as, I'll just show you like this, and the neck also. So it's not only the body, along with the neck, getting a good twist to one side, and then the same thing on the other side. So if you're all ready, okay, so gently as you inhale, slowly twist to the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2. Back to the center. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now breathing into the left side. Twist. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. Back to the center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. The twist. Right side. Breathing in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can hold the position there as comfortably as possible. And breathing light. Hold the position. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly release as you breathe out. Coming back to the center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to the left side. Breathing in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the position. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now coming back to the center as you exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands on your thighs, eyes closed. Again, just take a gap, a moment of contemplation. Again, listening to your body. Is it objecting to the movement? Do you have lazy muscles here and here? Is it working okay? Okay, so we did a few practices focusing on the rib cage, chest cage. And now it is like the abdomen that we would be focusing on with this Pavana Mukta Kriya. Okay. So as we breathe in, we would be raising the right knee upwards as much as you can, holding it tight against the abdomen, and you'll also bring your chin or your forehead down as you are comfortable, as per your position, comfortable position. And let me give you a word of caution, warning. If you have back pain or if you have any problem with this, cervical problem, neck problem, anything where you have had a surgery recently in the abdomen, please do not do this. If you have a problem with the neck, a cervical spondylosis or something like that, you can just hold it like this. No need to bring the neck down. So I just hope that I'm clear, and do it as much as you can. Stick to your own individual limitations. I'm sorry, but I have to keep reminding you of that because we more often than not tend to become over enthusiastic when we start doing it. Right. So now the Pavana Mukta Kriya, we always start with the right side and then do the left side. So it is the activation on the right side followed by the deactivation on the left side. So right side, as you breathe in, slowly lift your right knee upwards and hold it tight and take your forehead or your chin, holding it as tight as possible and slowly releasing it out back. And the left side, breathing in slowly and now releasing the position. When we do it as a kriya, we could also throw out like we did that the other practice where we the Nasarga Mukha Bastrika was we practiced that. So same thing, when we let go of the knee, when we bring it back down, what we could do is we could do it forcefully, saying, with a throwout like, same thing on the left, inhale, out. So can we try doing that now? So as you breathe in, slowly lift your right knee up, taking your forehead to it, holding it as tight as possible. Hold it tight, hold it tight, hold it tight. And now, throw. On the left, breathing in, slowly take your knee up, hold it tight, your forehead to it, hold tight, and throw. So did you just realize something? When we are doing on the right side, it's like on the whole, you get a good massage in the abdominal region. It's like, the digestive activities, your body metabolism, it is all enhanced with this simple one practice. And when you're doing it on the right side, it is like your liver, your gallbladder getting a good massage. And on the left, it is your spleen, your pancreas, the endocrine part of your pancreas, the beta cells. As you all know, secretion of insulin, getting a good massage and releasing it. So it's like very, very good practice. Simple practice from Achin. So just one more time, the last chance for you, where we'll be holding the position for 6 counts and letting go. Ready? So as you breathe in slowly, hold your right knee, taking your forehead to it, holding it tight and hold the position with light breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now slowly bring the leg back together as you exhale, back to the ground. And now the left, breathing in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your forehead to it and hold it tight, hold it tight, hold it tight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slowly release with a light breath. Coming back to the Feet on the ground, hands on the thighs, eyes closed. Again, listen to your body. Was the movement pleasant? Did your body enjoy the movement? How did you feel? Okay. So the next practice, it's not a serious one. You just have to go back to your childhood, where you ask your parent for something and they don't buy it for you. What do? You throw a tantrum. Wherever it is, a shopping complex, a shop, we don't mind. We throw a tantrum. So this is the time where we are all, caged up inside the houses. Lot of frustrations built up inside. The situation is grim and we have so much loads of tension within that we are holding. So can we just wail out like a baby and throw all those frustrations out? Take it out. It's not going to help us to keep all of that inside. Store all of that. We have to let go of that. So that you can feel light and you can really be yourself at the sense of peace. So, are you all ready to become babies? With me? So, no inhibition, please. Just relax and enjoy. Can we start? Start shaking your hand. And slump back in the chairs. Just feel light. And I can see there's some more of tension within you. You have not let go of the whole thing. So I think we have to repeat it one more time. So can we do it one more time? The same thing and you wail out as much as possible. Ready? Start. Slump. Just feel relaxed, feel light, and enjoy that lightness. And now you know what? I can see all smiles on your faces. Good! That's what we want. Be happy, smiling. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And now, following this, because all of us are working online with the computers, we have a lot of strain built up in the fingers and arms. So just to ease out that stress, just stretch your hands out. Open your hands as much as possible and close it as tight as possible. Open, close, open, close, open, close. And now rotate 1, 2, 3. Opposite 1, 2, 3. And now to the elbow. Rotate it 1, 2, 3. And the opposite side. 1, 2, 3. And hold your hands on your shoulders, bringing your elbows together, stretching it open, together, open, together, open. Release your hands. So a little bit of stress should have been relaxed, but just start shaking your hand. You can look at your hand. You must not be able to see the fingers. Shake it fast. It's not going to fall off. Shake it, 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 shake it. Your left hand. Shake, 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 shake. And now both your hands. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Shake it, 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 shake it. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it to the right side, shake it to the left side, to the right side, to the left side. Back, behind you, under your leg, this side, that side, under your feet. Shake it, cleanse yourself, cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. And now Catch hold of all the tensions, all the frustrations, all that anger that you have stored within, and we are going to let it out from the navel like we did earlier. So are you ready? Take a deep breath in and throw. One more, maybe a little bit is still there inside. So can we just do that one more time? Just a minute. There is, sorry for this, something that's hindering here, which I have to, yes. We are all ready to shake and throw the tensions out, the grimness out, the anger out, the frustrations. Ready? Now start shaking both your hands. Start shaking your neck. Shake, 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 shake. Down, shake, shake, shake. Shake it, 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 shake it. To your right side. Shake, 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 shake. Your left, left, left. Now behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you. On top, under your leg, under your feet, under your legs. And now shake, 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 shake all around you. Shake it, 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 shake it as fast as you can. Shake, 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 shake. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. And throw. Hands on your thighs and eyes closed. Oh my God, it's so beautiful to see all those smiling faces now. Just hold a pleasantness. Can you feel that lightness? Mindful. Huh? So just enjoy that moment of quietude. So like I was, telling you earlier, the inhalation is always there, but the exhalation is not completely done. So what we need to be focusing on is to exhale longer and deeper. That itself is going to de-stress you. And that the simple trick is that if we exhale with a sound, the nada as we call it, in the pranayama, that is what we do. We use the nada, the akara, the omkara. So when we do it with the sound, like you will be able to exhale as long as possible. You don't have to make any special effort to do that. So keeping your hands on we'll be doing it in 4 different stages. So one is like raising your hand to the shoulder level. As you bring it down, we'll go with the akara. Till you reach down. So we'll just do it twice. And then on the side, lifting your shoulder up. And as you come down, it will be ukara. So when you do that, it will be like a pucker. Puckering your lips like this. Ooh, holding on to the kaki mudra. And the third would be stretching the hands up, inhaling, and then and bringing all these together, all these 3 components together, we'll be stretching up. And as you bring down, it will be again inhale and exhale. So inhalation would be with the movement upward and exhalation would be with the nada, the sound. The oo and ma and omkar. So if you're all ready, just a quiet sit. Ready? Exhale now. Now start breathing in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. Breathing in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. side now. Ooh. Breathing in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. Ooh. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. Breathing in up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. I hope you're all doing it eyes closed. And the last component, bringing all these three together, stretching your arms upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out with all the three nada. Omkara. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. One last time, breathing in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. Keeping your hands locked again on your thighs, eyes closed. Just be conscious of the position of your body. The practice we just did is to enhance the awareness of your energy centers. So we were talking about the awareness and the consciousness that we need to build up, and that is what yoga is all about, making you mindful. So just a quiet sit for a moment. Contemplate on the beautiful feeling that you have now. Feeling refreshed, feeling completely relaxed, but alert. You're breathing just normally and very deep, naturally deep. You're not making any effort for that. Just raise your breath. As you breathe in, feel the abdomen moving out. As you breathe out, feel the abdomen moving in. And just enjoy this peace within, the tranquility, the sense of ease. Feel connected with it. So with that beautiful feeling, slowly bring your arms in front of your chest in the Namaskar. We'll finish up with the Shanti Mantra, praying for the universal peace. Breathing in. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Gently rubbing your palms. Just feel that friction, feel that heat, and take the warm hands on your eyes. Just enjoy that warmth all around your eyes, your forehead. Slowly remove your hands, gently opening your eyes. So thank you all so much. It was such a pleasure meeting you all through this online session. And any of the queries that you have, your doubts, your feedback, if you want to correspond on a personal basis, you can always inbox to our CYTER or the Yoga for Self-Care, or you can inbox me privately. So any of this, we will try to correspond more in future, and we will try to, solve all your doubts, clarify all your doubts, and we'll have more of this. So thank you again. Wishing you all the best. Take care and stay safe and enjoy these practices every day. Try to do it as much as you can. Namaste.